Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I know most of you are like me who are looking for the best protection for your car in a budget, and also it has to be DIY. I also wanted a product like this where I wanted to protect my car, and it also had to be DIY wherein like I can do it in my home, and also I did not wanted to spend a lot on any sort of protection like PPF and ceramic coating for my cars. I came across a product on the internet which was really interesting. It is the ceramic coating spray by Turtle Wax. It was around 1500 rupees or so on Amazon, and I ordered it. So I'm going to show you how that product is and how you have to apply it to your car, and also what sort of protection it gives. So guys, this is the product. This is the hybrid solution by Turtle Wax. It is the ceramic spray coating. This product promises to act like a ceramic coating for your car on a budget. So what this does is, once you spray it on your car, it gives your car a proper shine, and it protects your car from UV rays and from the harsh environment. So let us just go and try it. So before we put this onto our car, I'll tell you why I bought this and what is the difference between a proper ceramic coating and this sort of ceramic coating. So this ceramic coating, first of all, is a DIY product, and you can do it in your home. It is a very economical product also. It comes for around 1500 rupees, and this one gives a protection for your car for around 10 to 12 months is what people say, and it is what the box says. So this doesn't last for a long time, but it promises to provide some sort of protection, just like a wax, or sometimes better than wax with respect to the normal ceramic coating. What the normal ceramic coating does is, it is a nano coating where it gets bonded with your clear coat and it stays for a very long time. It hardens up. Once you get the ceramic coating done, it hardens up and it stays on your paint for 2 to 3 years depending on the quality of the product you choose. And for the proper ceramic coating, what you need to do is, you need to prep your car by doing all this sort of polishing and give it a good, clean, thorough detailing for the car, and then you have to get the ceramic coating done for it to optimally work on your car. But that costs around 25 to 30,000 rupees for the application, and I did not wanted to spend that kind of money for my car, and I just wanted a quick solution, so I purchased this one. So this acts almost like a ceramic coating, but it is a product where I can apply it directly on my car without any detailing required prior to the application. For the application of this product, it just requires 2 to 3 microfiber cloth and you are done. So I'm going to show you how it is done. So for this to work properly, we need to apply 2 coats, and it is a very simple process. I'm going to tell you, before you do any sort of application, the one thing which you have to remember is, you have to clean the car. It has to be washed properly, washed thoroughly. You can apply this product on the paint, on the plastic surface, on the headlights, and also on the glass. There is no restriction as such. What this product says is, you have to wash the car thoroughly, and then we need 2 microfiber cloth. One is for the application and one is for the removal. And the other thing is, this has to be applied twice to get the proper optimal results, like what this product says. For the application, you just need 2 things. One is this normal microfiber cloth, and the other is the microfiber applicator. So it is okay if you don't have this kind of microfiber applicator. You can use a different similar kind of microfiber cloth. And why I suggest you to go with this one is, it is very easy for the application process. So let us get started with the application. It is a very simple process. You just have to spray 2 sprays on each panel, and then use this applicator to apply the coat throughout single panel. So you just have to work one panel at a time, so that you don't cause any sort of streaking on the panel or any sort of discoloration. So this car is white in color, my car is white in color, so the discoloration or the streaks won't be that visible. But if your car is of other darker color, you just have to keep in mind that you shouldn't leave the coat for the longer time on the car. So luckily it has started raining right now, so that we can also test the product how it is. The bottle is a very sturdy bottle, and the spray is also of top quality. There are sprays like how you get it in, there are options for the spray like how you get it in home column and stuff. So before you spray it on the car, shake the product well, make sure that the panel is all dry, and then apply 2 to 3 sprays on the car, and then apply it thoroughly. Do it in upside down motion. So this panel is done. I have applied the coat once, and once it is, let it dry for around 1 or 2 minutes, and then we'll take a fresh microfiber cloth, not this one, different microfiber cloth, just to wipe it off. Now I have let the paint and the product to dry for around 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'm going to take this microfiber cloth over here, and I'm going to just wipe it off. Wipe off the complete panel with any sort of, what this does is it removes any sort of residue which is present on the paint, so that it gives the proper shine, and the excess product is removed off from the paint. So now we are done with this panel. We have applied it on the bonnet, and as of right now, immediately after applying, I can see some sort of shine and gloss which has come onto the paint. I don't know if the camera can do the justice to it, and it can clearly show the representation of what I am seeing right now. This one feels much more shinier than compared to this one. So now what we'll do is, let's not waste our time. This is done, and now we will apply the same way to the entire car, one panel after the other. So let us get started with this one. 1 spray, 2 spray. Take the applicator, just wipe it properly. So guys, this is a very simple and a very fast application, and this is the easiest way for getting a car protected, where you don't have to spend a lot of money also, and also can get the qualities and the benefits of a ceramic coating. So if you are someone who is looking to buy this product, you can check out the link below and you can purchase it from there. So it is very simple. I just applied it for this panel also right now, and let us take a different microfiber cloth which is kept over there, and we'll wipe off this just to remove the excess spray from it. While applying, make sure that you open the doors, and then also apply it on the inner painted panels of your car, so that you will be much more safer, and the protection is provided end to end. Why not do it inside also when you are doing it outside, right? I just finished applying the first coat for my Polo, and like the product says, I have to leave this car for 24 hours after applying the first coat before I do any sort of washing on the car, or I put the second coat onto it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this car sit for around 24 hours, and by the time I'm going to apply the same first coat the similar way I did for my Polo to the Skoda Octavia. What I can notice is I have applied one layer of coat onto my Polo, and as of right now this new ceramic coating bottle, like I have used just a very little of the spray which is there inside it. So as per my thoughts, I think this one bottle can last you for more than 1 or 2 years if you have one car and if you are applying it for that car multiple times. So as it says that it is going to last for around 12 months, you just have to apply it after 10 months or 12 months, like that. Even after applying 2 coats, you will be left with a lot of product inside this, so you don't have to worry. This product is going to last you for a very long time, and I do think that it is a very good product if you are considering any sort of good DIY, and if you love your cars and if you want to protect your car, especially if your car is standing outside without any covered shade. So I recommend you this product because it is a very cost effective one and it's a very good product at a very effective price. 1500 rupees for a ceramic coating like protection for your car is not a bad deal.
After the coating, I just took my car out for a drive at night and I parked it at the corner where there was good amount of light and a bit of darkness. The car's gloss and the shine was literally accentuated to such an extent I had never seen my car like this before at all. It was so shiny at night. And right after that, in the morning, the rain started coming, and just look at the water beading capacity this product has. It is literally amazing. I was literally shocked to see how good this product is at like during the rains, and the water beading capacity is almost like a ceramic coating. I was like, wow, this is literally amazing. And that too, just with 2 coats of this product is giving me such a result. And like literally, this is a great product.
So the link is in the description, guys. You can go ahead and purchase this product and apply it onto your car, and I'm damn sure that you are going to love it. Thank you.